Hello. This is a mystery box. It feels heavy, and we don't know what's in it. So how about if I open it? Start with the sellotape. Oh, I can see a little. Oh my God! Num Noms yogurt. Let's see what else is in there. Heavy. Oh my goodness! Wow! There's even special ones. And 2 mystery boxes.
Why are they so special?
Because we will never know what's in the mystery boxes. Yeah, and it might be one famous, special. It will surprise us every day. And these ones, yeah. These all are special in their own way.
Shall we open one?
Let's open this one. Instructions out.
What's in the mystery pot, Tilly?
I don't know. How about if we find out?
Is it in a bag as well?
Yeah.
How exciting.
It's red and kind of yellow. See? Oh, let's see how it smells. Kind of strawberry. It looks really good. So that's first of our line.
Do they all smell differently?
Well, these 2 kind of do. But them do kind of smell like strawberries. This one doesn't smell of strawberries though. Melon. Strawberry again. This one kind of smells of lemon. Now, you can go shopping whenever you want with these. And about these 2, you can put these on. You can always choose.
Right. What's in the yoghurt pot, Tilly?
Then, shall we see? It's not that hard if it's already open for you.
Another bag. What does it feel like?
Hard and squishy a bit. Oh, easy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Does it come off? Maybe.
What's inside? Take it off then. What's inside?
What's inside? What's inside? Oh, jumped off. Do you want to see it go up and down? This is lip gloss. Should I show you? It smells really good.
And that's what was in the
Mystery yogurt pot. There will be more prizes. Should I show you what you do with this?
Yes, please.
Okay. You keep building it, and it does. This does roll, but we don't want it to roll. We're making ice cream today. These Num Noms looks like food and smells like food. Oh, and you can get different sets. I got one set open, one set in the box. These lollipops, got lip gloss, stamps, whatever. You'll just find out.
So where do children get them from then?
Oh, and they will be sold on the shop one day.